Okay, we're going to talk about parallels and perpendiculars. Remember that parallel lines, they look like a railroad. They never cross each other and they share the same M, while perpendicular lines, they look like a cross. They cross at 90 degrees angles, one with the other one. And you find their M by dividing -1 with the M of the other line. So let's try to use those ideas in the following exercises. Okay? Find the equation of the purple line using properties of parallels and perpendiculars. So in this case, information is not given through points, but through drawings. Now, how could we find the equation of the purple line? Well, if you know this, these are parallels because they form a cross. Like if you flip this thingy, you're going to notice that it's a perfect cross. So I know that they are perpendicular. That would be the proper name for them. Yes. Now, we don't know any points, and we actually need them to find M. So what do we know about the two lines? Well, I know that the purple line passes through this point, which is -4, 4. I can see that. I can also see that the blue line passes by this point, which is 0, 2, and it also passes by this other point, which is 3, -2. That's all I can tell from the drawing that I see on the screen. But that's all I need to find the things that I need to find. Because I have 2 points for the blue line, I can find the M of the blue line first. And then, because I know that they are perpendicular, I can find the M of the purple line like that. Finally, I can use this point of the purple line in order to find the B. And knowing the M of the purple line and the B of the purple line, I can find the answer. So that's the process I'm going to use. So let's see what can we say about the stuff that we made right now. First, the blue line. What do we know about the blue line? Well, as I showed before, the blue line passed by 0, 2, not points, 0, 2, and 3, -2. Those were the points of the blue line. We can check that is actually 0, 2, and 3, -2. So those are the 2 points of the blue line. With those points, I can find M. So I'm going to find M. I know that M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If I substitute the information, it will be -2 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 0. If I perform those operations, I would know that M is -4/3. I cannot put that as a decimal because it will be -1.33333, etc. So I prefer to leave it as a fraction. I'm going to leave it like that. That will be the M of the purple line. Now, because I know that that'll be the M of the blue line, sorry, because I know that the purple line is perpendicular. Okay, I know that the purple line is perpendicular. I can easily find M of the purple line using the M that I just found of the blue line. I know that the M of the purple line, because it's perpendicular, is going to be -1 divided by this M that I found before. So -1 divided by -4/3. If I perform that operation, I'm going to notice that the answer is 0.75. That will be the M of the purple line. Now, what else do we know about the purple line? If you see on the drawing, you're going to notice that there is a point where the purple line is passing by. That point is -4, 4. So that point belongs to the purple line. So another thing that we know is that the purple line passes by the point -4, 4. With that information, I can use the equation of the line y equals mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form of a line, and I can substitute the information I know in order to find b. So which number is y? It will be 4. It's not -2, it's not 2, because those belong to the blue line, and what I'm trying to find right now is not the information for the blue line, it's the information for the purple line. So y will be number 4. Which number is M? Same thing. M is 0.75 because I'm talking about the purple line. It's not -4/3 because that belongs to the blue line. So no, not the information of the blue line. We use the information of the purple line. So M will be 0.75. x is minus 4, and I copy plus b. If I multiply 0.75 with negative 4, that will give me minus 3. I pass that 3 to add to the other side, and I know now that b will be 7. Now that I know b and I also know m of the purple line, I can find the equation of the purple line, which is what the exercise was asking me to find. Basically, I can find the solution. The solution for this exercise will be y equals 0.75, which is the information of the purple line, okay, x, plus 7, which is the b of the purple line. That will be the way we solve this exercise. So the equation that appears in here, this purple line, its equation is 0.75x plus 7. That's the equation of the purple line. Now, what about the blue line? Well, the exercise is not asking us to find the equation of the blue line, so we don't care. Now, let's do another exercise. Find the equation of the purple line, again, using properties of parallels and perpendiculars. So, what's different about this exercise? Well, we have different lines, but not only that, but you can tell that these two lines are parallel because they look like railroads, and they have the same inclination, they have the same slope. So, let's try to see what do we know about these lines. First thing we can tell is that the blue line, I know that it's passing by this point. This point is minus 1, minus 2. I know the blue line is passing by that point. Another point that I can tell the blue line is passing by is this one, which is 4, 1. So I know the blue line is passing by those 2 points. Now, what about the purple line? Well, I cannot guess any of these places because they look difficult to guess. But I can find this one. I know that the line is passing exactly by that point. And which point is that one? Well, that point will be 5, minus 2. So I know that the purple line is passing by that point. So we have the same scenario. The blue line is passing by 2 points that we know. The purple line, we only know 1 point of it. So we cannot find the m of the purple line just with 1 point. But we can find the m of the blue line. So we're gonna look for the m of the blue line. Then, because it's parallel, I know that's gonna be the same m for the purple line. And then we continue the same process to find the b of the purple line and then the solution. So let's go back with blue line. What do we know about the blue line? Well, it passes by minus 1, minus 2, and it also passes by 4, 1. So if you're not sure, we can tell in here that it's passing actually by those 2 points, minus 1, minus 2, and 4, 1. So with those 2 points, we can find m. We can find the slope of the blue line. So the slope of the blue line, we're going to use the formula of m to find it, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If I substitute that information, it will be 1 minus negative 2 divided by 4 minus negative 1. If we subtract those things, well, double minus is a plus, so it will be 1 plus 2, that will give me 3, and 4 plus 1 will be 5. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So that will be the m of the blue line. M of the blue line is 0.6. Now, we know that the purple line is parallel. So I know that the purple line is parallel. If it's parallel, then I know that the m of the purple line is going to be the same as the m of the blue line. Why? Because they are parallel. They share the same m. So now that I know the m of the purple line, all I need to do is find b. How do you find b? Well, we need to use a point of the line. Which point? 5, negative 2. That is the only point that we know about the purple line. 5, minus 2. You can see it on the graph. The purple line, the only point that we know of it is 5, minus 2. So that's the point we're going to use. So we're going to use the slope-intercept form, or the formula of the lines, which is y equals mx plus b, and we're going to substitute the information we know. Which number is y? Negative 2. Which number is m? 0.6. Which number is x? It will be 5 plus b. If we multiply 0.6 times 5, that gives us 3. I copy the plus b, and this 3, because it's positive, I'm going to pass it to the other side to subtract. And that will give us the answer of negative 5. Negative 5 will be the b of the purple line. Now that I know the M and the B of the purple line, I can write the solution of this exercise, which is the equation of the purple line. That's what the exercise was asking us to find. The equation of the purple line will be then 0.6 x minus 5. We put the M and we put the B, and that will be the answer for this exercise. If you notice, the exercise was only asking us to find the purple line, not the blue line, so we're not worried about the blue line. So which equation has this line? 0.6 x minus 5. That's how we deal with parallels and perpendiculars using drawings.